In this video, we're going to learn how to create objects using the JavaScript keyword new. Alright, so let's create a new file and call it objects using new, and let's just import the source code from the previous file and change the title to objects using new. Okay, so we're gonna create an object this time using the new JavaScript keyword without setting any parameters or without setting any properties, and then we're gonna define these properties in other statements later on. So we're gonna need one first statement where we define the objects. So let's call our object my phone again, and this time we're not going to use any curly brackets. We're not going to set any properties, but we're going to use new object and then parentheses. Okay, so what we're doing here, we're defining the object, and then we can define properties for these objects with their corresponding values. So let's define the make, for instance. And let's set it to Samsung, for instance, this time. Okay, let's define the model, and let's set it to Galaxy S4, and also let's define the warranty and set it to 12, and the color. Okay, so let's check what we get in the console. So window.console. So we need to refresh the live preview. And click on F12 to get the console. And let's refresh. Okay, so you can see the objects displayed in the console here with all the properties with their corresponding values. Okay, so this time we declared the objects first, and then we defined the properties with their values. So this will give the same result as the literal definition. So we can change any property. So let's change the warranty, for instance, to 0 and display the objects again and see what we get. So we can see that the warranty has changed to 0. Alright, so in the next video we're gonna learn how to create objects using constructors.